Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Fall is here, that time of transition between the summer heat and winter cold. It is a time of great subtlety, a time when we see novel patterns in Mesonet data. A map of minimum air temperature from Tuesday night has purple-blue fingers of cold air across Oklahoma. Bernieville in the far south dropped to 46, the same low temperature as El Reno in the middle of the state and Buffalo in the northwest. On Tuesday night, only one Mesonet site came in above 60, Medicine Park near Lawton at 63 degrees. We have been treated to bright, clear, sunny days this last week. One of those sunny locations was Chickasha. A graph of sunlight shows 5 days, last Saturday through Wednesday, with consistent, uniform maximum sunlight levels. A week ago, on September 20th and 21st, the sunlight levels on the graph were low and variable from clouds and rain. That consistent sunshine pushed daytime highs up steadily for Chickasha from the 80s a week ago on Saturday up into the 90s for Wednesday this week. Here's Gary with a look at our drought status and summer highs.
Good morning, everybody, and thanks, Al. It's great to be here on Sun Up. As usual, we're going to start with the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map. Still looks mostly the same. We did have a few changes on the newest map, however, with just a bit of the yellow gone across east central Oklahoma. But we are still watching southern Oklahoma closely for drought development and possibly intensification. They're still missing out on that rainfall. Now, to take a little bit farther look out, let's see the latest U.S. seasonal drought outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center. This came out last week, and it's good for September 19th through December 31st. And for Oklahoma, sort of a grim picture for southern and western Oklahoma. They have that drought where it exists, continuing, persisting, possibly intensifying through the end of the year. Again, these aren't always as accurate as we'd like them to be, but that's what they're seeing. We are going into the dry part of the year after we get through October, so we'll just have to wait and see. Let's get as much rainfall in here as possible before winter gets here. Now let's go on to a very lovely feature that the Mesonet shows us, and that's the number of days above 100 degrees. If we look at the 2013 map, it's safe to say by now we're probably done with the hundreds for all of 2013. So the areas that suffered through drought had the most 100-degree temperatures. That's not really a shock. Heat and drought go hand in hand in Oklahoma during the summer. And Granfield is the usual suspect, led the way with 44 days above 100, while several stations, however, never saw 100 degrees throughout the entire year. I'm going to make you feel better. I'm going to show you the map from 2011 summer. Here you can see that year everybody had their fair share of hundreds. In fact, Granfield led the state once again with 101 days above 100 degrees, which shattered the old record of 86 degrees from Mangum back in 1956. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.